out there that we can now bring out?
At a radio station in Florida, DJ Jaybird is attempting to break a world record live on the air.
You know what? Let's line them all up. Let's line them all up.
Jaybir's goal? To smash more than 138 eggs in 1 minute, using only his head.
Do me a favor, keep on giving me time so I know.
Can we just play some music on the station rather than do a stunt you can't even see on the radio?
Mario March. Get set. And go.
The first dozen. He's got half pound.
Really hurts.
Holy salmonella, Batman.
Where's the time? Where's my time? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
This guy is like a chicken serial killer.
Really hurts. Really hurts.
Hurry. Just shut the up and break the eggs. Please, really bad. Really badly.
Where's my time?
I don't know why they say video killed the radio star when clearly it was chickens.
Excuse me, waiter, there's an eyebrow in my bloody egg omelet.
Jaybird manages to smash 76 eggs, falling short of the record by 62.
You look like you were in a street fight.
I think it was Mao who said you have to break eggs to sort out the morons.
Hi, I'm Danny Bonaducci, and today at Smoking Gun, I am going to attempt to break the record for smashing eggs with my head. The current record is 138.